Hi everyone, how you all doing today? Happy Sunday to you all. So today I'm making my signature sauce. Yeah, chicken vegetable stew with spinach. So this is me after washing my meat, prepared my meat, and here is the tomatoes that I'll be using for this sauce. So you can see I'm adding olive oil to my pot in order to fry my tomatoes. Added my onions, fry. Yeah, so here is my bay leaf. I added some bay leaves to the pot. So after frying for some minutes, I added my blended tomatoes. Yeah, so I allowed it to cook very well, to boil very well. So after everything, here is the outcome. So it's frying. It's time to add my ingredients. So I added my meat spices, my season cube. Yeah, I'm pressing it so that it will dissolve on time. So I added my salt. After adding salt, I went in with my pepper, blended pepper. Yeah, it is very hot, so I usually add little of it. So this is me making my dinner, my sauce. Yeah, my signature sauce. Just continue watching to see how it looks like. So this my beetroot, I added beetroot to it because I don't use tin tomatoes for my stew. No, it's a no for me. I can't even remember the last time I ate tin tomatoes. Processed food is not good, so I prefer beetroot, which is natural and healthy. So here is my meat sauce. My meat is ready, so I added everything. You can see I've prepared a stew. But it does not just finish here. So it is time to add my vegetables. Since my stew is ready, it is all done. Everywhere is popping. Putu, 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 putu. So I'm adding my spinach. It is becoming as it's supposed to be. So I added more spinach, and then I left little spinach for my baby because it is not only the adult that will be eating spinach. It is also good for her. So I added more spinach, and then this one is for my little baby. She will be taking it together with her rice. Yeah, so after everything, it is all done, and here is it going down with plantain. So I make this plantain without frying it in a deep oil, like you are frying it in a swimming pool. Thank you guys for watching.